Drug abuse remains a critical issue for communities worldwide, affecting not just individual users but also families, public health, and the safety of entire societies. Among the many substances that have become a focus of law enforcement agencies, methamphetamine, particularly its straight name Shabu in the Philippines, stand out as one of the most dangerous and widely abused drugs. Governments, including organizations like the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, or known as the PDEA, and the Dangerous Drug Board, or DDB, and the U.S. Drug Enforcement Administrations, or known as the DAA, have created strict regulations and compiled extensive list of prohibited substances to combat the global drug epidemic. Understanding methamphetamine, its origins, chemical properties, effects on the body, and its broader social impacts help explain why it is considered legal and the profound risks it poses.
Origin: methamphetamine is a powerful stimulant that belongs to amphetamine class of drugs, which are known for their ability to increase alertness, focus, and energy. It was first synthesized in 1893 by Nagai Nagayushi, a Japanese chemist who derived the compound from ephedrine, a substance found in the ephedra plant. Nagayushi's goal was to create a more potent stimulant than ephedrine, which led to the development of methamphetamine. However, the drug did not gain widespread attention initially. In the 1930s, methamphetamine was recognized for its strong stimulant effect and was marketed under the brand name Mephedrine as a treatment for a condition like narcolepsy, depression, and obesity. Its ability to suppress appetite and increase wakefulness made it popular in medical practice. The drug's use expanded during World War II, when it was issued to soldiers to help them stay awake and alert during long, grueling campaigns. Both the German and Japanese military, along with Allied forces, utilized methamphetamine to enhance soldier performance. However, by the post-war years, the addictive nature of methamphetamine became evident. This led to its classification as a controlled substance in many countries, due to its high potential for abuse and harmful long-term effects.
Chemical composition of methamphetamine. Methamphetamine is a synthetic stimulant, meaning it is created through chemical processes rather than occurring naturally. Its chemical formula indicates and consists of 10 carbon atoms, 15 hydrogen atoms, and 1 nitrogen atoms. Methamphetamine belongs to the phenethylamine class of compounds, which also includes other stimulants like amphetamine and ecstasy. Structurally, methamphetamine is very similar to amphetamine, with one key difference. It contains an additional methyl group attached to the nitrogen potency. This slight modification significantly increases its potency. The presence of the methyl group allows methamphetamine to move efficiently across the blood-brain barrier, meaning it reaches the brain much faster and in higher concentration than amphetamine. Once in the brain, methamphetamine stimulates the release of dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure, motivation, and reward. This causes the intense euphoria and increased energy that users experience, making it highly addictive. Methamphetamine's ability to act on the brain's reward system is a key reason for its dangerous potential for abuse and addiction.
Physical composition of methamphetamine. Methamphetamine, in its illicit form, is most commonly found as a white, odorless crystalline powder or as larger crystalline chunks, often referred to as crystal meth. This form is known for its high purity and distinct appearance, clear, shiny crystals that resemble ice, which is why it is also sometimes called ice. So the crystalline form is typically produced in illegal meth lab using various chemicals, many of which are toxic and highly dangerous. So the drug can be consumed in several ways, each affecting its potency and speed of its impact on the body. Smoking crystal meth produces an intense and immediate rush because the drug enters the bloodstream through the lungs, allowing it to quickly reach the brain, or similarly, when injected methamphetamine directly enters the bloodstream, producing a powerful and rapid effect. Snorting methamphetamine allows the drug to be absorbed through the mucous membrane in the nose, while swallowing the drug results in slower absorption through the digestive system. So the method of consumption impact the duration and intensity of high. When smoked or injected, the effects are felt almost instantly, leading to a stronger or more intense high, but also significantly increasing the risk of addiction and overdose. So in contrast, swallowing or snorting methamphetamine result in a longer but less intense high. So the physical form of the drug, whether in powder or crystal, makes it easy to disguise and transport, contributing to its widespread illicit use.
Effects on the body and mind. Methamphetamine acts as a central nervous system stimulant affecting neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine in the brain. This leads to heightened energy levels, increased focus, and intense feelings of euphoria. However, this initial high is followed by severe negative effects, such as addiction. Methamphetamine is highly addictive due to its effect on the brain reward system, often causing users to compulsively seek it out. Chronic use of methamphetamine can result in significant physical harm, including weight loss, skin sores, dental problems, mouth, and premature aging. Psychological effects. Long-term use can result in hallucinations, anxiety, paranoia, hostility, and violent conduct. Cognitive problems like memory loss and trouble focusing can also occur in users. Health risks. Using methamphetamine raises your chance of seizures, heart attack, and strokes. Additionally, it impairs immunity, leaving users more vulnerable to illnesses.
One of the most concerning aspects of methamphetamine is how quickly it acts on the body. When smoked or injected, users can feel the effect almost instantly, leading to a rapid addiction cycle. This quick onset of euphoria and energy makes methamphetamine particularly dangerous, as it encourages frequent use to maintain in the high. Additionally, methamphetamine's long-lasting effect means that users may experience crashes or extreme fatigue once the drug wears off, pushing them to use again to avoid the calm down. In short, methamphetamine is a powerful and highly addictive illegal drug with severe consequences for both the individual and society. Its rapid onset of effect, coupled with its physical and psychological toll, make it a major focus for law enforcement and public health initiatives aimed at curbing its use. So by understanding the origins, chemical composition, effects, and special features of methamphetamine highlights the critical importance of keeping this drug under control to protect individuals and communities.